CS Robot Core Training, I/O Settings. Hardware I/O. The controller has the following I/O interfaces: Safety I/O, Configurable I/O, Digital Input and Digital Output, Remote On and Remote Off, I/O Power, High-Speed Digital Input, Analog I/O. The controller's digital inputs and outputs are all NHI effective and cannot be modified. If NPN is required, please use a relay to convert them. RS485. This video mainly introduces standard input or output settings. Enter the Robot Teach pendant page and select Configuration I/O. View and configure all input and output digital signals. How to rename I/O. Select the I/O that needs to be modified and click the text box. The name of input and output can be modified and can be entered in English or Chinese. Function settings. Input can be configured to start task valid in remote mode, and to stop task, pause task, enable drag mode. The output can be configured to be low when not running, high when not running, high when running and low when stopped, and periodic pulses when running. Once these configurations are saved, they correspond to physical I/O. Physical I/O input or output can be monitored in I/O page. By triggering physical inputs, input signals can be monitored, and output signals can also be manually triggered here. The gray input signal indicates that only monitoring is possible, manual triggering is not possible, and input signals can only be controlled via external hardware input. The output signal will be gray when it is occupied by the system. The configured output can output signals while the robot is running, and the signals disappear after it stops. For more advanced I/O functions, please contact Elite Robot's support team to get the related plugin. How to use I/O in tasks. Click Set in the program block, where you can choose to set the output I/O signal to high or low. We can use wait command to monitor the input signal as high or low in task. Changes in the I/O signal can be monitored in the I/O monitor page.